Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris and Isabel. And if my wonderful daughter is here, you know it is time for
box opening.
unboxing. And today we have the Fab Fun Summer Edition. Okay, and truth be told, I have canceled this subscription because I'm kind of tired of getting a bunch of stuff
That we're never going to use.
that just goes to Goodwill.
Yeah.
But I think this is the last one that I had already paid for. So, would you do the honors?
I'll give you all of the paper stuff.
Okay, so it's, if you're familiar with Fab Fun, you always get their magazine, which talks about tips and stuff in the box, and this has a HelloFresh $80 gift card, and it says you deserve some summer fun, and it's a code for getting somebody else hooked on this. All right, why don't you pick something out? Stella and Grace Spray All Day. Rose spray, hydrating rose facial spray. For me, yes, for me. Mist 4 to 5 sprays onto face with eyes closed before or after makeup. Reapply as needed throughout the day. And this, I'm just doing a quick scan through the ingredients. Okay. Well, all right. Without doing a what? Internet search, I don't know if all of these are good, but it looks promising, and I'll be anxious to try that. What's next?
Makeup setting spray thingy.
Ah.
Which is Mom as well.
Okay. Oh, but this has okay. So this is from Kula, and it's a setting spray with SPF 30. Now. I'm anxious to try this, but I will not be relying on this to give me my only SPF for my face, because I can imagine that you would have to soak your face with this to get an SPF 30 out of it. All right, that'll be fun to try.
An exfoliating foot mask. My foot does not need to be masked.
Well, mine does. Okay, Wish. All right, cruelty-free. Leaping Bunny certified. I'll be anxious to try that. Okay, so far 3 for 3 that I'm gonna give them a thumbs up on.
Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream.
So if I'm honest, I am not a huge fan of Living Proof. I know a lot of people love Living Proof. And I'll have to take a look, because if I have a small sample of this already upstairs that I have tried, you might get to use it, try it, or...
The special conditioner for this, though.
Or maybe it'll be at our local Goodwill. All right, what's next?
Generation Clay. That's Mom.
Saying something about my age.
No, I don't wear masks.
You don't do masks. This is an ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. Is it really purple clay? I gotta see if it's really purple clay. It is purplish. But I guess they couldn't call it purple-ish clay. All right. Yes, I do a mask every morning. I will link my morning skincare routine down below. If you haven't seen that, you should check it out.
I don't.
Okay.
Whatever this is.
How if you open it? I think it's a robe. Yes.
You're right.
I don't have a summer robe, and I needed a summer robe, and I didn't hate this one, which I think is about as good as it's going to get. But
Very sheer.
Looks kind of sheer.
Maybe something underneath that.
Yeah, okay.
Silicone wine glasses, set of 2. These are Mom's.
All right, we live on a lake here in the suburbs of Seattle, and I just picked up acrylic wine glasses to have when we're out on the deck, and I thought these would also be good to use on the deck in the summertime.
If I can get them open.
But there we go. She's got it untied.
Why is there so much packaging?
She's noticing that there's a lot of packaging. Oh, they're stemless.
They're squishy.
Well, because they're silicone.
I wasn't expecting squishy.
That should be like the name of a game or a book.
Squishy.
I wasn't expecting squishy. Oh, yeah.
They're really squishy.
They're really squishy.
It's more like an effective fidget than a wine
Wah,
glass.
wah, 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 wah.
Wah, wah, wah.
Yeah, I...
Phenomena. Do, do,
Do,
do,
do,
do,
do. Phenomena. Do, 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 do. Okay, all right. I will not use these.
I won't either.
Okay,
They're really squishy.
they're going to the local Goodwill. And it looks like last but not least... Oh, no, sorry.
Invisible traceless herring. They were certainly invisible, seeing as I did not find them in the bag. I don't have enough hair to use those.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I clearly do. I'm suspicious that these will just get caught in hair, but traceless, high wearing comfort, hair loving, strong grip, non-soaking updo tool. Well, I'll try them out and I'll let you know. All right.
Then we have, assuming there's nothing else in the bottom of this. No, there
Alright.
isn't.
Ah,
A very large bag
a tote bag
that Mom will be using.
that I'll be toting. I could use a tote bag. I don't like using this kind for shopping, and I do have a lot of reusable bags that I use for shopping, but this is kind of nice for grabbing stuff to go out on the boat or to beach. We put in a beach this summer. Anyway, okay, well, I gotta say, of the last Fit Fab Fun boxes, this one was not too bad. I have lots of things that I'm anxious to try.
Depending on whether those things are good or not.
Right. There are things that I'm anxious to try. I don't know that if I would have purchased them necessarily on my own.
And then there are some things that are just
Right. Yeah. Right out. All right. Well, thank you for joining me, and thank you for joining us. If you liked it, you can let us know by giving us a thumbs up. Also, if you are one of my subscribers, I really appreciate it. If you are a regular viewer but you have not subscribed yet, I would consider it a personal favor if you would go ahead and subscribe.
And hit the bell!
And hit the bell. I post every Monday and Thursday. I look forward to seeing you again soon, and have a fabulous day.